Another way to look at vertex form that we're going to talk about on this page is to think of it as moving the graph around. So let's compare these two graphs. So this first one is f of x equals x squared. So each point represents, like, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4. It's a nice parabola. The vertex of this is at 0, 0. So let's see what happens when we put it in vertex form, but with some different numbers here. So instead of just x squared, now it's x minus 1 squared, and then we're adding 2 on the outside. So hopefully we know, now that we've been messing with vertex form, is that we know that that means the vertex is at 1, 2, but we can also think of this as shifting the graph around. So it's looking like from 0, 0, where the other graph started, this went to the right 1 and then up 2. And that's another way to think about what this vertex form is doing, is that it's shifting graphs around. So 1 unit to the right and 2 units up. So the plus 2 is up 2. And whatever's inside the parentheses, it's the opposite direction, right? Because x is always that opposite. So if it's minus 1, that means it's 1 in the positive direction, or to the right. And if it's plus 1, it would be to the left. So minus 1 is right. X is opposite, so right 1. All right, so let's practice with some of these without the graph and see if we can sort of get the idea of this. So here's a graph in vertex form. So in this case, we gotta decide, are we moving left or right? Now, x is always opposite, so plus is going to be to the left. So plus means it's to the left, and it's 7 units left. So because the new vertex is going to be at -7, and maybe it helps to write it as the vertex. So the vertex is -7, 8. So that's 7 to the left, and then up 8. All right, let's try this other one. So -8 means 8 units, but this time, since it's minus, it's going to be to the right. And -2 means down 2. And if we move 8 right and down 2 from 0, 0, that moves the vertex to the point 8, -2. Right? So moving 0, 0, 8 right, and then down 2 would be 8, -2. All right, last one on this page. Plus sign means I'm going to the left by 8 units, and then -5 means down 5.